Yeah, Mr. Truth for the game. Back in, right? Hey, now 5477. That's the date that I was born in this world full of bullshit. Cause my daddy didn't pull out. All just for satisfaction till he reached the climax. Then he sobered up like, shit, where my mind at? I don't need another kid, barely we can eat now. Mama had me anyways, a life full of heartaches, a life full of no love, and me as the recipient, and Papa is the disher. My body full of blisters, the night crowd with whispers. I heard him down the hall, shit, that ain't no kid of mine. Then I just took it upon myself to go and hit the block and hustle for a night till a nigga got locked, man. In that dark cell, heartfelt, but ain't nobody feeling me. Preacher got anointed hands, but ain't nobody healing me. If anything, feeling like devils out to break me down. Take me now, God, cause the demons trying to shake me down. Mind blanket PCP had me in another state. Walls caving in, but that's just the acid though. So gone, barely standing, trying to cross traffic, bro. Paranoid, thinking niggas after me, blast the foe. Been through the rubble, had to been through the brimstone, had to been through a lot of shit. And I swear that before I go back, I hit the block of pitch 5. I kicked down your door for the pies. I was raised in a city where hookers walk the streets and kids die and fiends overdose every 5 minutes. I'm in it to get ahead, but it's hard to get ahead when the streets all you know. I was bred straight from the gutter where you had to hustle hard to get fed. Plus the feds watching all your moves and the adversaries on the other side popping all your dues. And as a kid, I broke all the rules. Like fuck it, man. Before I'm caught in the jam shit, I bust a 5 on my back, aiming up shit. I'ma clutch and ride. Shit, I grew around the old heads. Used to tell me stories about the days when they was young. Grew up in the slums, and the place where I was from, I seen niggas get hung for the cravings of a piece of bubble gum. I remember every day at the corner store stealing cigarettes, Them days I regret. Mama on my ass and daddy on my back, like get back in the house. Every night we was sneaking out, me and my sister, man. Beatings till a blister came. Seen a lot of niggas fry, but sometimes I miss the game. But never will I miss the pain. Cause I'm still seeing that, being that against the grain. Gained a nigga plenty scars. I done healed from many scars. I done been in plenty wars. Know a nigga tired of that. Pressure hit a nigga so hard it had you sliding back. You dig?